Want to get started in crypto but don't know where to buy Ethereum? You've probably heard all about the world of decentralized finance and how Ethereum is a foundational part of it. Maybe you're looking to buy your first fractional share, or you're planning a bigger investment. Whatever your goal, the process can seem a little intimidating at first. But it doesn't have to be. Today, we're going to walk you through the simplest, most trusted way for beginners to buy Ethereum, using Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the world's most popular crypto exchanges, known for its user-friendly platform. In less than 3 minutes, you'll know exactly how to make your first purchase. First, you'll need a verified Coinbase account. If you don't have one, go to the website or download the app and complete the sign-up and ID verification process. This is a crucial security step. Next, you need to link a payment method. Go into the Settings or Profile section and find where you can add a payment option. A bank account or debit card are the fastest ways to get started. Once your account is set up and funded, buying Ethereum is incredibly simple. On the Coinbase app, you'll see a prominent Buy button, usually a blue circle or a clear tab on the home screen. Tap that. A list of cryptocurrencies will pop up. Scroll or search for Ethereum, which is often abbreviated as ETH. Select it. Now you just enter the amount you want to buy. You can type in a dollar amount, or if you prefer, you can switch it to show the amount of Ethereum you're buying. Remember, you don't have to buy a whole coin. After you enter the amount, select the Preview Buy button. This screen is important. It will show you the amount of Ethereum you're getting, the purchase price, the Coinbase fee, and the final total cost. Always check these details before proceeding. If everything looks correct, hit the Buy Now button to finalize the transaction. And that's it. Your Ethereum will appear in your Coinbase portfolio almost instantly. You've officially entered the world of crypto. You can now hold it, watch its value, or use it for transactions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.